The KuCoin is one of the best exchanges in the crypto world. Launched in September 2017, KuCoin has grown into one of the most popular crypto exchanges and already has over 5 million registered users from 200 plus countries and regions. KuCoin is one of the most secured and transparent crypto exchange. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I will share a great airdrop of the KuCoin exchange, and I will drop the link in the description. If you are going to sign up with that link and you are going to trade, for example, with $10, you are going to be rewarded by the KuCoin exchange and you will get your reward. You will get the airdrop directly in your KuCoin wallet. So that is such a great thing. So you have to stay tuned with us till the end, because in this video I will elaborate each and everything that how you can trade on the KuCoin exchange, and also I will tell you the major features of the KuCoin exchange. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, basically the KuCoin. The main key feature of the KuCoin exchange is that KuCoin revealed data on level 3, full matching engine data, which means traders can get real-time market data, including placing orders, canceling the orders, closed orders. So if anyone try to manipulate the market or fake trading volume, people can easily get the evidence. Right now, more than 400 plus trading pairs are available on the KuCoin exchange. So you can buy different altcoins and even the major coins directly from the KuCoin exchange. So right now, I will tell you that how you can start trading on the KuCoin exchange. It is very simple, and you can easily sign up on this exchange and you can start your trading right now. So first of all, you have to sign up with your personal email address or with your mobile phone number, and then you have to enter your password, confirm password, and then they will send you the confirmation email. You have to confirm that, and then you can simply log into your account. After login, basically, you have the chance to buy all the cryptos, and you have the chance to deposit all type of coins and altcoins. More than 400 plus options are available over here. So after basically depositing, I will tell you that how you can start trading. First of all, you have to click on the assets, and here you can see all the options. The first one is main account, where you can deposit and withdraw all of your funds. The second one is trading account. Whenever you have to deposit your funds, you have to deposit it in the main account. But when you want to trade, you have to transfer your funds from the main account to the trading account. Then you will be eligible to buy all the altcoins and all the coins directly from the trading account. So first of all, I will tell you step by step. Right now I am going towards my main account, and I will tell you that how you can easily deposit any type of funds. For example, I am going to deposit the Ethereum directly on the KuCoin exchange. Then I will tell you that how you can buy any type of coins, because they have different options like limit order. The second one is basically you can say market order and then stop limit order. Right now you have to click on the assets first of all, then you have to click on the option main account. Right now I am in my main account. So here you can see, first of all, you have to click on the deposit option, and whenever you are going to click on the deposit option, they will give you an address, and then you have to deposit your Ethereum, your BTC, all type of coins directly on this address. Right now, what you have to do, the second thing which I will tell you, after basically depositing any type of funds on the KuCoin exchange, then you have to transfer these. Here you will get the option when you are going to transfer. For example, I'm going to transfer my Ethereum. Right now I have 0.060 Ethereum, and I'm going to transfer my Ethereum from my main account to my trading account, because I will tell you that how you can easily trade on the KuCoin exchange. Right now I want to basically transfer all the amount, and it is basically up to you. For example, if I have 1 Ethereum in the main account, so it will be up to me that how much basically I want to transfer on the trading account for the trading. Right now I'm going to transfer all the amount towards my trading account, so I will easily basically go and trade. Right now when I basically transfer, here you can see right now I don't have even a single Ethereum on my main account. So all the Ethereum basically gone to the trading account where I can trade and I can basically buy whatever I want to. So right now I have to click, then you have to click on the trade option, and first option is basically the spot trading. You have to click on the spot trading. Basically I have Ethereum, so right now I am going to buy something. Then you will basically understand that how you can trade. First of all, you have to okay, the major thing which I basically forgot in the video, basically you have to enter your security trading basically password you have to enter, then you'll be eligible to trade on this exchange. Okay, right now friends, I am going to basically buy the XYO token directly from the KuCoin exchange. Then you have the option here, you can see it by yourself, all the altcoins and all the major coins are available, so you can choose whatever you can. Okay, so it is entirely very easy, it is not a difficulty. Okay, first of all I am going to choose the XYO right now. So I want to buy the XYO tokens directly from this exchange. Right now I have three options. The first one is limit option. Limit order is to place an order with the price you want to buy. You can buy with 25%, here you can see it by yourself, with 50%, 75%, or 100%, or even for example, if you have more Ethereum, if you have for example 1 Ethereum, you can even buy with only, you can say 2%, 3%. So you have multi options on this exchange. So that is such a great thing regarding the KuCoin exchange. Now the second one option which I have is basically the market order. A market order is an order placed to buy or sell a specified quantity amount of assets at the best available price in the current market. So you can even choose the market, but right now I'm going to choose the limit option because it is entirely very easy, and I will tell you the brief thing that you can easily buy all the assets with the help of the limit option. The last option which we have is basically the stop limit, and we have the both options, stop limit and also the stop market. Stop limit order means a stop limit order is an order placed to buy or sell a preset quantity of assets at a present limit price when the latest price reaches the preset trigger price. And the stop market is basically a stop loss order in an order placed to buy preset quantity amount of assets at the current market price when the latest price reaches the preset trigger price. So these are all the options you have, especially the limit, market option and the stop limit option. Right now I'm going to buy, for example, here you can see the 24 GWI is basically the price right now of the XYO, and I am going to buy with my 100% assets. So it is very easy. If I'm going to click on the 25%, so it is showing me that I will get only and only 6,256 XYO. And if I'm going to buy with 50% of my assets, then I am going to get 1,205.12 basically XYO tokens. And in the last but not the least, if I want to go with 100%, I will get 25,000 XYO tokens. So it is very easy. You have to choose, even you can choose, for example, the last price is basically the buying order of 23 GWI. If I want to enter, I will also enter the 23 GWI, but if I am in hurry and I want to buy these tokens as much early as I can, so I am going to click on 24 GWI and I am going to click on 100%. When I am going to click on buy XYO, then definitely here you can see it by yourself, you have placed the order successfully, and right now I got my XYO. 25,000 XYO I already bought directly from the exchange. So it is very easy. You can buy all the tokens directly from this exchange. Here you can see all the options are available, so you can choose whatever you want to choose. As I told you, basically more than 442 options are available. Here you can see 442 pairs are available, so you can basically trade whatever you want to do directly from the KuCoin exchange. And right now I am going to share a great airdrop of the KuCoin exchange. If you are going to sign up with the given link below, then okay, after basically signing up, you have to do one thing. You have to trade only and only with $10, and then you'll be eligible for the airdrop and you will get the free airdrop directly from the KuCoin exchange. So that is such a great thing. And even you can use your own referral link. Here you can see the option. If you are going to use your own referral link, then definitely you are going to get some more basically coins directly from the KuCoin exchange. So it is such a great opportunity for you to grab and make some good BTC and Ethereum directly from this exchange. If you have some friends, you can refer them towards the KuCoin exchange, and whenever anyone is going to sign up with your referral link, you are going to get the commission from that. If they are going to trade with first of all, if they are going to sign up with your referral link and then they are going to trade, you will get the commission. So that is such a great thing. You can easily use your referral link, and right now, as I'm telling you again and again, you have the option to basically do a simple thing. You have to sign up with the given link below, and secondly, you have to do one trade. Then definitely you are going to get the free airdrop, the free giveaway directly from the KuCoin exchange on your KuCoin wallet. So that is such a great thing. Go grab this opportunity right now. I will share the link in the description, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And here you can also see all the notifications are available. You have to click over here and they will tell you when you basically deposit anything, when you withdraw anything, they will give you the notification. So that is a great feature of the KuCoin exchange, which you are not going to get on any other exchange in the coin market cap. Thanks a lot.